Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to an update on Render. Recently, Render has broken down this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, the target for this breakdown that I was telling you in my previous videos was here. That was approximately at $3.59, and you can see that the price and has dropped more than that expected target. And now it is testing this very long-term support zone that starts from $3.40 and goes to $2.95. And at the same time, it is also retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support as well. If we zoom this chart out, then you can see that here we have already broken out this channel, and the technical target for the breakout from this channel that I was telling you in my earlier videos was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $13.85, and you can see that the price end moved up to $11.90, but got stuck inside this triangle, and now it is dropped down, and now we are also retesting the previous recent swing low point before the breakout from this down channel as well. Therefore, this support is very, very critical. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that this support zone has been previously working as support here and support here. And before that, for a few weeks, it had been working as a resistance here and as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive rally that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Kawa, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 9th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And here, first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we have broken down the support of this triangle. Then we had a big drop, and now we are testing this very long-term support zone that starts from $3.40 and goes to $2.95. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a very long-term support zone. It has been previously breaking as support zone here in the month of August 2024. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as support here from the month of November 2023 up till the month of January 2024 as well. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance zone here, and support zone here back in the month of November 2021 as well. Therefore, this is a very long-term support zone, and it will be really, very difficult for the price to break it down. At the same time, we are also retesting the previous resistance of this down channel that we have already broken out as a support. Therefore, yeah, here we have so many support levels. Like we have this complete support zone. We have the previous resistance of the channel as support, two support levels we have here, very, very strong support. And for example, if the price then starts another reversal from here, then first we will need to break out the previous support of the triangle that can now break at the resistance approximately at $6.70 or 72 cents. And we will also need to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. That is the resistance of the previous triangle that can again break as a resistance for the price. And then it can hit the resistance, the long-term resistance of $8 somewhere here. And by the way, this $8 was also the target for the breakout from this previous and long-term down channel that I was showing in my previous videos when it was moving inside this channel. And you can see that we have already hit that target. And for a while, we also broke out this $8 resistance as well, because this $8 was already working as a resistance here. And after the breakout, for a few weeks, it had been breaking as support here. But after the breakdown, for a while, we also broke out here as well. But after the breakdown here, it was again flipped into resistance. And again, it can break as a very, very strong resistance. And still, there is a probability that if the price breaks out this $8 resistance, then again, it can hit this target for the breakout from this channel. And that is also a very long-term resistance line as well. That starts from $12.50 and goes to $13.85. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.